Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling location services for TikTok so the app can tag places. This matters because tags improve discovery and context. Once done, open TikTok and confirm the app version is current, then tap the plus to create new content. Make sure you've chosen whether you'll add a location tag to a post or send a precise map link via direct message, because the next steps differ slightly depending on that choice, so pick your sharing method now. You record or select your clip and move to the editing screen where stickers and tags live. This is where you add context. Tap stickers, choose the location sticker or type the place name in the location field. This creates a visible tag on the post for viewers. If you need to share exact coordinates privately, open your Maps app, copy a share link, then return to TikTok and paste that link into a direct message. This preserves precision versus a generic tag. You're ready to finalize. Choose privacy settings, public, friends, or private, and post. Make sure the location sticker looks correct before publishing, because once live, it informs viewers and algorithms why your content matters. If a location option is missing, check TikTok's app permissions and regional features. Sometimes location services need a restart. If sharing fails, resend the map link in a direct message or take a quick screenshot of a pinned map location and attach it. This simple fallback works reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.